Hi everyone, welcome to Yarnish Love. My name is Neda and I love to crochet cute stuffs. Today I'll show you how to crochet Sullivan's pouch. It's easy to make. You can use this pouch for iPods, earbuds, coins, and other tiny things and hang it on your bags. To do this, I'm using eyelid cotton gold yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Let's get started. To begin, make a magic ring. Chain 2. This chain 2 is considered as 1/2 double crochet. I'm making 9 half double crochet into the ring, and in total I'll have 10 half double crochet. For half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring and pull up the yarn. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops. This is called a half double crochet, and I'm having 2 half double crochet right now. Continue until you have 10 half double crochet. 3, 4, 5, and 10. Close the ring. Skip the first 2 chains and slip a stitch on top of the first half double crochet. This is my second half double crochet. Insert the hook on top of it, pull up the yarn, and pull it through the loop on the hook too. This is called a slip stitch. Round 2, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same stitch. And for single crochet, insert the hook into this stitch, pull up the yarn. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull it through the 2 loops. This is called a single crochet. And I consider this as 1 half double crochet. So I have 1 half double crochet right now. Create another half double crochet into the same stitch. 2 half double crochet into next stitch and into each stitch. 1 and 2. Repeat this pattern by the end of the round. 2 half double crochet in each stitch, and at the end you will have 20 half double crochet. Skip the first single crochet and slip a stitch on top of the first half double crochet. Round 3, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same stitch. 1 half double crochet into the same stitch. 1 half double crochet into next stitch. 2 half double crochet into next. And repeat this pattern by the end. 1 half double crochet in next, 2 half double crochet in next. Repeat until you have 30 half double crochet at the end. Slip a stitch on top of first half double crochet. Round 4, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same stitch. 1 half double crochet into next stitch. 2 half double crochet into next. And repeat this pattern by the end. 1 half double crochet in next, 1 half double crochet in next, 2 half double crochet in next. and repeat. 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and at the end you will have 40 half double crochet. Slip a stitch on top of the first half double crochet at the end. Round 5, chain 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Half double crochet into next. Half double crochet into next. I have 3 half double crochet and 2 half double crochet into next. The pattern is like this: 1 1 1 and 2 half double crochet. 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 half double crochet. Next one is 2 half double crochet. And repeat this pattern by the end, and at the end you will have 50 half double crochet. Slip a stitch on top of first half double crochet. Chain 6. And slip a stitch into the same stitch, but consider into the back loop only. Each stitch has 2 loops. One is in front of me, the front loop, and another is on the back side, the back loop. So slip a stitch into this back loop only. Fasten off, leaving a longer tail for sewing. Create another circle in the same way, but at the end, after slip stitching, chain 22. Slip a stitch into the same stitch, back loop only. For the eyes, make a magic ring, chain 2. Make 8 half double crochet into the ring. Eight, close the ring and slip a stitch on top of first half double crochet. My yarn is made of 5 strands of yarn. I'm separating 2 strands for creating the pupils. Few inches is enough. Make a magic ring. Chain 1 and 6 single crochet into the ring. Close the ring and slip a stitch on top of first single crochet. For the horn, make a magic ring, chain 1 and 3 single crochet into the ring. Close the ring. Insert the hook into the first single crochet and create 2 single crochet in the first single crochet, 1 and 2, 1 single crochet in next stitch and 1 single crochet in next. Round 2 is over and I'm having 4 single crochet. Round 3, 1 single crochet in each stitch. The same number of stitches, 4 single crochet. Round 4, 2 single crochet in first stitch and 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. At the end I'll have 5 single crochet. Round 5, 1 single crochet in each stitch, 5 single crochet in total. Round 6, 2 single crochet in first stitch and 1 single crochet in the remaining stitches. At the end I will have 6 single crochet. Round 7, 2 single crochet in first stitch and 1 single crochet in the remaining stitches. The number of stitches will be 7 single crochet. For the eyelids, make a slip knot, chain 7. Turn the chains. There are tiny bumps at the back of chains, and for this row I'm going to use the back bumps. Skip the first chain and into the second chain back bump, make a slip stitch. Single crochet in next chain back bump, single crochet in next chain back bump, and also in next 2 chains. Four single crochet and a slip stitch into last chain back bump. Make another one in the similar way. My tiny Sullivan's pouch is over. It's really cute and I love it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. To watch the other tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!